Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to downgrade firmware on Bambu Lab P2S, roll back to previous firmware version guide. Step 1. Connect the printer to the internet and make sure it is bound to your Bambu Lab account. Step 2. Open the Bamboo Handy app and sign in with the same account linked to your printer. Step 3. Go to the Devices tab and select your P2S. Step 4. Tap the menu, which is three horizontal bar or three dots in the top right corner and open firmware version. Step 5. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap I want to downgrade to a previous version. Step 6. Select the firmware version you want to install from the available list. Step 7. Tap install this version, then confirm the downgrade. Step 8. Wait for the installation to finish. The printer will restart automatically once the downgrade is complete. Do not turn off the printer during the process. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.